it's Diana. Welcome back to Renegade 88. We've all done it. You've been there, you know who you are. Hello. This is going to be a review video about a part we want to check out. The Smog Portalates kit from LMR. Yeah. LMR actually included stickers! Stickers! By the way, this is not a sponsored video. If these suck, they suck. Just in case we have another solution for you. Yay, Pioneer ones! Alright, so for years we've been installing these on the back of the engine. But it's really difficult, so we're gonna try something else. We're gonna go ahead and install these bad boys, let them know what we think. So fingers crossed, hopefully these ones work. Shark people issues!
Our fancy custom mirror. Only the finest at Renegade 88.
Get out, this nutty smog pup! Yes! Evil gone! Ow, I hurt. Once y'all get this annoying evil thing out, then it's time to align it with this bad boy. Yay! Overall impression of the new part. Nice kit, easy to install. Real test is going to be starting the engine.
Good, Gucci. Yeah. Yeah, no poofy around the edges. They sealed up nice and tight. It's a pretty nice little kit.
No leaks, ladies and gentlemen! Yeah!
Yeah, that beats the hell out of those old school screw plugs. Nice. Digging it! Digging it.